Alright, so I hate when people take a long time to show their exhaust in an exhaust video. We're gonna get right to the point. This is my 2000 Chevrolet Corvette, 5.7 liter. It has a Borla Atak axle back system and a Borla X-pipe midsection. That is it. It is a bone stock car besides the exhaust. A lot of you in the Corvette forums wanted to hear this noise and hear what it sounded like, so it's already running, but we're going to shoot to the startup clip right now. So now that it's getting warmed up, we're gonna hit a rev noise, mid, and then really high. So you'll be able to hear what it sounds like throughout the RPM band. All right, to reiterate, 2000 Chevy Corvette 5.7, bone stock motor, nothing done to it. Borla X-pipe, Borla Atak axleback exhaust, that's it. You cut post-cat, they give you the measurements for the X-pipe, you bolt the muffler system right up and it clamps to the X-pipe with the bolts. They provide clamps, everything you need. All you need is a Sawzall to cut it and a set of sockets to install it. Very easy, was able to do it here at my house on my lift. If you have any questions, message me on Facebook in the group, whatever you need, comment, I'll let you know. Forgot one more thing, I want to add the video with the H-pipe and the Borla Atak. So minus the X-pipe, what it sounds like at idle with the H-pipe. You can hear the difference. You can hear the difference in idle tone and how it kind of sounds bubbly.